Making friends is an art that involves warmth, openness, and genuine interest. It's about creating connections that enrich our lives. Here are 50 tips, each crafted to enhance your social interactions and foster lasting friendships. Be approachable. Smile often and maintain open body language to invite conversations and connections effortlessly. Listen actively. Engage in conversations by listening attentively, showing interest, and asking thoughtful questions. Show empathy. Understand and acknowledge others' emotions to create deeper connections and foster trust. Initiate conversations. Don't hesitate to start a conversation. A simple greeting can lead to a wonderful friendship. Be genuine. Authenticity attracts genuine connections. Be true to yourself and your interests. Join clubs or groups. Find communities aligned with your interests to meet like-minded individuals effortlessly. Attend social events. Step out of your comfort zone and attend gatherings to expand your social circle. Use social media. Connect with people online and transition those connections into real-life friendships. Volunteer. Engage in community service. It's a great way to meet people who share your values. Offer help. Extend a helping hand whenever possible. It's a fantastic way to bond with others. Remember names. It shows attentiveness and respect, making people feel valued and appreciated. Share experiences. Create bonds by sharing personal experiences and stories with others. Respect boundaries. Understand and respect personal space and individual preferences. Be positive. Radiate positivity. It's contagious and attracts people who share the same energy. Celebrate others. Acknowledge achievements and milestones of your friends. It strengthens bonds. Be a good communicator. Express yourself clearly and effectively to avoid misunderstandings. Maintain eye contact. It shows confidence and interest in the conversation. Invite others. Include people in your plans to show that you value their company. Be reliable. Keep promises and be there for your friends when they need you. Show appreciation. Express gratitude and appreciation for your friend's presence in your life. Be open to new experiences. Embrace novelty, it can lead to exciting friendships. Respect differences. Appreciate diverse perspectives and learn from them. Create shared memories. Plan activities or trips to create lasting memories together. Apologize when needed. Admit mistakes and apologize sincerely, it strengthens relationships. Be a good listener. Sometimes, people just need someone to listen without judgment. Be inclusive. Avoid cliques and welcome new individuals into your social circle. Respect opinions. Even if you disagree, respect differing viewpoints. Offer support. Be there for your friends during tough times, it shows you care. Be patient. Building friendships takes time, don't rush the process. Find common ground. Discover shared interests to bond over mutual hobbies or passions. Be spontaneous. Embrace spontaneity, it can lead to memorable experiences. Share your expertise. Offer help or guidance in areas where you excel. Express vulnerability. Share your fears and insecurities, it fosters deeper connections. Celebrate diversity. Embrace cultural differences and learn from them. Practice reciprocity. Show interest in your friends' lives as much as you share about yours. Be understanding. Everyone has their struggles, be understanding and supportive. Create a welcoming environment. Make others feel comfortable in your presence. Avoid gossip. Build trust by steering clear of gossip or spreading rumors. Respect time. Value others' time as much as you value your own. Laugh together. Humor strengthens bonds, share light-hearted moments. Be adaptable. Adjust to different personalities and situations gracefully. Offer compliments. Genuine compliments make people feel appreciated and valued. Be forgiving. Understand that nobody's perfect, forgive and move forward. Stay connected. Regularly check in on your friends to maintain the relationship. Share meals. Eating together fosters camaraderie and connection. Respect privacy. Avoid prying into personal matters if someone seems uncomfortable. Be trustworthy. Confidentiality is crucial in maintaining trust and respect. Show enthusiasm. Display enthusiasm for your friends' interests and passions. Be yourself. Authenticity is key, let your true self shine through. Be a good friend. Treat others the way you wish to be treated, it's the essence of true friendship. Conclusion. Friendship is a beautiful journey woven with shared moments and genuine connections. By applying these tips, you'll not only create new friendships but also nurture and cherish the ones you have. Embrace the uniqueness of each bond, and let them flourish organically. Cheers to meaningful connections.